ants all over the kibble. So bird keep getting the kibble, running away and trying to shake it off. He's also drooling a bit. And see the ants are getting all over him, trying to eat the one little piece of kibble. Everyone like and subscribe. They're little black ants. Well, it's kind of his fault. He didn't come get the food when I put it out. He just sat on a tree for a while. Now watch, he's going to grab it right there and run. Trying to swallow it, but there's ants on it. Yep. It's weird is because I've seen videos of ravens landing on big ants' nest and getting them to bite their feathers. And the acid from the stings keeps the insects away. See? Alright everyone, like and subscribe. Bye.